Waiting for holiday. A long time ago, a boy named Gattu lived in a city with his parents. Gattu did not like to talk to anyone, nor did he play with anybody. Gattu, go play outside.
No, Mom, I don't like to play anything.
And he did not like school at all. So, every day after reaching school, he would wait for the school to be over since the first period itself. Gattu, what are you doing?
I'm waiting for the classes to be over.
This was the reason why he got less marks in all the subjects. Once again, when his grades were low, his teacher took him to the principal. Principal sir, Gattu has got less marks in all the subjects once again. Now you only talk to him. Saying this, his teacher left the office. Principal asked Gattu,
What happened, Gattu? Why did you score so less marks?
That's because I don't like school.
What?
Yes, I don't like coming to school.
But there are so new books. New friends in the school. With whom you can play, you can chat. Then why don't you like the school?
Because I don't like to study, play or talk with anybody. I don't like anything.
After listening this, the principal understood what the real problem was. So he told Gattu,
Okay, let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, there lived a boy, Chandan. When Chandan grew up, he decided that
Now I will go and find a job in a city like rest of the villagers.
and next day he started the journey with some villagers. There was a huge river between the village and the city. Seeing this river, Chandan stopped and started thinking,
How can I cross the river? I do not know how to swim. What if I drown in the river while trying to cross it?
What happened, Chandan? What are you thinking? Come on, swim quickly and cross the river.
Chandan knew that if he confessed that he did not know how to swim, then everyone will tease him. So he said,
No. If I cross the river swimming, then my clothes would get wet. You go ahead. I will take the another route.
But it is very long route. You will not reach for the job on time.
I can run very fast. You will see. I will reach there first.
Hearing this, all the other villagers swam across the river. And Chandan started running on the banks of river. But it was very lengthy.
This is really very long route. But that's alright. I will reach on time.
But when he reached to his workplace, it was too late.
I'm so late on the first day. But from tomorrow, I will reach early.
Next day, he left the home before sunrise. Then he started running along the river and reached earlier than others.
Today I reached here even before the work started.
This way, he would wake up early in the morning and cross the river. But one day, he woke up late. He ran towards the river and saw that all the villagers are swimming across the river.
Chandan, it seems you are late today. Today you will not be able to reach on time.
Villager crossed the rivers. And Chandan stand there thinking,
If I didn't go to work, the boss will be very angry. But I don't even know how to swim.
but there was no other way. So he thought.
Okay, let's give it a try.
Thinking this, he jumped into the river.
Oh my god, this is very deep. How do people swim? I'm scared.
Then he started swimming. After some time, he was able to swim. He couldn't believe in himself.
Wow, I can swim. I have no idea that I can swim.
And after that day, he crossed the river like other villagers. So Gattu, what did you learn from this story?
That Swimming is easy.
No. We learn that until you talk to other children. How would you know that? You don't like to talk to them, or play with them, or you don't like studies. So, you should try doing these children and then decide.
Gattu understood what Principal Sir was saying. Next day, he tried to talk to other children. Gattu, which cartoons do you like?
I like Puntun Kids cartoon on YouTube.
We also like them. And Gattu liked talking to them. In the same way, he started studying and he liked it, and he also started playing.
Wow, school thing is amazing. Now I will never wait for school to be over.
In this way, after hearing Principal's story, Gattu stopped waiting for school to be over and started enjoying it.
अगर आपको हमारी वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे हैं तो इन्हें लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करें